Anthropic has just announced Fable, a new family of models that brings its Mythos system to the public. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech place. Last week, Anthropic said it was working to release a Mythos-capable model to the public. Anthropic says the new system offers capabilities that exceed those which were made publicly available in the past, saying, "The longer and more complex the task, the larger Fable 5's lead over our other models." In the company's own testing, Fable beat not only Anthropic's own Opus 4.8, but also GPT 5.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Anthropic claims Fable is good at tasks like software engineering and document analysis, but also excels in domains where the company's past models have typically underperformed. Even in gaming, Fable can beat Fire Red, the 2004 Game Boy Advance remake, with a minimal vision-only harness. As for safety, the company says, to release Fable 5 both safely and quickly, we've tuned safeguards conservatively. They'll sometimes catch harmless requests, though they trigger on average in less than 5% of sessions. With more capable models arriving in the coming months, we're working to improve our safeguards and reduce false positives as quickly as we can. Anthropic has also released Mythos 5 this week, which runs on the same underlying model as Fable 5, but comes with fewer safeguards. The company will initially offer Mythos 5 through Project Glasswing before making it widely available through a trusted access program. Cloud subscribers can try Fable 5 until June 22nd, and after that, Fable 5 will cost usage credits, which Anthropic is priced at $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. After reaching a sufficient capacity, Anthropic aims to restore Fable 5 as a standard part of subscription plans as quickly as possible. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.